What's going on, everyone? Babzilla here, coming to you with another instructional video. This was going to be wind aim and wind calculating, and it's a re-upload from previously. And so we're just going to go ahead and show you guys how to use the wind calculator that I'm about to give you. So this is the wind calculator. Got distance, elevation, wind speed, wind direction, etc. So this is the compass or circle that I use mentally when determining what the wind angle is. 0 obviously is straight head or tailwind, and 90 is straight crosswind. So when you're inputting numbers right here into the wind direction, you want to do it by 5 whenever you're looking at the wind direction here. And then this down here, we'll do in a later part of the video, is for heavy winds. And then these are all your grid numbers. So if you find that you need to change how many grids are being calculated, maybe you don't have enough aim, or maybe you have too much aim, you're going to change this first number right here, the 300 number. You can change it to 350. And see, now it's 1.6 grids instead of 1.9. So the higher this number is, the less grids you're going to have to aim. The lower that number is, so we'll put it on 200, the more aim you get. So that's something you can play around with as you are on the course and you're practicing your hits and you're getting a feel for ding versus miss ding. And you can play around with that number in all 3 grids. So make sure that you have it the same on all 3 grids, and that way you stay consistent with that number. So we are going to go ahead and input our numbers into here and see if we can get some good aim numbers. Got 122, I think it was 14 miles per hour, and we'll leave it at 75, right about in this direction here. It looked like a 75 mile per hour wind, so we'll leave it right there. So we have 75. We'll kind of make this a little smaller. It's out of our way. And then our aim is going to be roughly 2.25 grids of aim. So we're going to move this 2.25, just shy of 2.5 grids of aim. We got about a full 9-iron, maybe a tick off more. Leave the flag in just so you can see what happens. Got our heartbeats, and the ball lands right on the flag. And so that's what we're looking for, the ball to land right on the flag. It is a little long, but we're not looking for distance in this video. We're just looking for wind aim. And so that's where I'm coming to you with, this is my wind aim, 2.24 grids with a slight miss ding, puts me right on the flag. And that's basically how you do it. And you just want to get your eyes adjusted to what numbers to see here whenever you are looking at the wind aim. And that's the trick, is soon enough you'll start seeing this wind aim. And I'll pull this out, you know, I can make this smaller if I want, and I'll just say, you know, that looks like, you know, a 70 or a 65 or a 60. And pretty soon you won't even need this circle or compass to determine what your wind aim angle is, and you'll just be doing it quickly in your head as fast as you can. Alright, here we have part 2 of this wind calculator video. So the first part was moderate wind, which can be used in both low and moderate, and that's what the bottom grid is for. So you have number 1 is lower moderate wind, and that will go in the conditions right here. And then number 2 is going to be for heavy winds, which is what we're going to do right now. So we've got this heavy wind shot, 28 miles per hour wind. Looks like it could be 40, 45. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose 45. And we've got a 28 miles per hour wind going at 40. And see how number 1 is 3.14, 2 becomes 4.25. And so that becomes our new aim. So we're going to go to the game, and remember our aim is 4.25, which is about right in that ballpark right there. And our power is going to be a 9-iron, roughly 95%. Leave the flag in. Heartbeat. Again, a little long, but the aim is good. Aim's right on the flag, so we'll go ahead and hit that again. Take some power off just so you can see the ball kind of coast right next to the flag. So 4.25 right in that ballpark. Last time I hit that 95%, so this time we'll hit it a little less. Slight misting will help us, and there you go. Below the hole, directly in line with the hole, and you're all set. And so that is how you differentiate between using, for the most part, number 1 for your low and moderate winds, and then number 2 for your winds above 20 miles per hour. Now when you get in the 30 miles per hour range, then it's going to be a little bit different, because you're going to have to add another half grid or grid, because those winds react a lot differently than the winds that happen just in the 20 mile per hour range. Alright, so that is the wind calculator. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos that will come in the future, and have a great day.